How to access advanced startup options. This tutorial shows you how to reach Windows Recovery menu to troubleshoot startup problems or reset your PC. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on System from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Recovery from the list of options. At this point, look for the section labeled Advanced Startup. In the next step, click on Restart Now next to that section. Following this, click on Restart Now anyway on the confirmation pop-up that appears. Once done, your PC will restart and boot into a blue recovery screen. From here, click on Troubleshoot to access repair and reset options. At this stage, click on Advanced Options to see tools like Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt. Keep in mind, if your PC won't boot into Windows at all, this same menu can also be reached by restarting 3 times in a row during boot, which forces Windows into recovery mode automatically. Finally, click on the tool you need from this menu to begin troubleshooting your specific issue. And that's it. If this guide helped you access advanced startup options, give the like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.